Good medical morning. This is Watson with the Pimple Popping Year in Review for 2020. Let's start with highlights from the 2020 Clip of the Year. We'll show this clip in its entirety by the end of the video, so stick around. Now, let's show you the runner-up for Best Pop of the Year. It's got over 15,000 votes. And here are some honorable mentions. Before we show you the Clip of the Year in its entirety, please click like to show your support as a true popaholic. And without further ado, here is your Clip of the Year. Nice. Don't forget to check out our favorite Pimple Popper kit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon to make popping pimples a pleasure. It has a lancet for big whiteheads and cysts, a spade for dilated pores and corners, the cone extractor for thick blackheads, and loops of various sizes. You'll be able to pop any pimple in the house. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by cheap knockoffs, many of which use similar online pictures, but are just low-end replicas. Pick up this professional kit by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.